Okay, this is the Sauna blanket, aka infrared blanket. As you can see, it's got 3 nodes that lead back to the main terminal where the heat is conducted. And each node heats a different part of the blanket. You can adjust the heat going to each node separately. The outputs are labeled right here. Output 1, 2, and 3. And then you can just trace the lines back to see exactly where they connect into the blanket and what part of the blanket they heat. So what you want to do once you plug it in is you're going to hit the power button, which is going to display these blinking LEDs. So then what you need to do is you're going to hit the power button for each output. And once they turn solid, you're going to use the up and down buttons to control the heat that you want generated to each node. So you can turn this up to 85, that's Celsius. So I believe that ends up being around 180 degrees, simulated, being conducted into your body in the blanket. So you can play with that, see what is comfortable for you. And then it starts to preheat. And as it preheats, it'll tell you, it'll count up. And when it gets up to 85 or whatever you have it set, you're ready to go. So at that point, what you're gonna do is this thing opens up just like a sleeping bag. See, it's got the zipper mechanism. So I believe you should be able to set it up for a sitting position. So if I had a recliner, I would put like the bottom part, like if you're targeting your legs, up on the recliner, so that they, it's elevated there. And then you can just hop in this thing. Zip it up right there. And what you'll want to do is just trace the lines back for this middle section and then the bottom section. Trace them back to the terminal, into the outputs, and adjust the heat accordingly. And what that should do is conduct the heat directly into your body so that you're getting some increased circulation. And the benefits of that sort of increased circulation and heat shock proteins and all that good stuff, without actually having to expose yourself to the extremely hot conditions or physical exercise that it usually requires to get them. So usually when I do this, I'll do it for an hour, and I'll do it turned up all the way, and I'll do it whole body. But of course, just whatever is comfortable for you, just play with it. Hopefully it helps. That's it.